Hi, I'm Jeremiah Dumka with Alliance RV, here today to talk to you about our all-new 44V14 floor plan. Let's go take a look. One of the first things you'll notice when walking upon the new Valors is our all-new redesigned front cap with integrated lights and new paint scheme. Couple things real quick I'd like to point out underneath the gooseneck of the unit is our in addition to front storage compartment, adding over 35 cubic feet of storage, our all new 6K gen, and our battery compartment with our standard 100 amp hour lithium ion battery. A couple of noteworthy items on the off-door side of the vehicle. You're gonna have your 6-point leveling control module, dual 30-gallon tanks, one on each side of the coach. In addition to our pass-through, you'll find our all-new water mana block system, our tank flushes, our city water connections, in addition to our all-access panel. Also our slide controls for our off-door slides, a 12.6 gas-electric water heater, and a 40,000 BTU furnace. Another unique feature that you'll find on this particular floor plan is our exterior trash chute that enables the customer easy access to their trash. Coming up to the tail end of the vehicle, you'll find our dual 30-gallon tanks, one designated for your generator, the other for your accessories. One of, if not the coolest features that we have on our Valor fifth wheels is the exterior patio package that comes standard with a rear awning and steps. Other cool things about this, in the upright position, it can hold 1,500 pounds. A couple other features you'll find back here is our rear backup camera prep, also our 3 seasons doors. On the door side of the vehicle, you'll find our onboard air compressor, rated at 110 PSI. This can be used to top off your tires or fill your inflatables. One of the most important features that we like to talk about here at Alliance RV is our performance running gear package, coming standard with G-rated tires that are rated at 4,400 pounds apiece, 7K axles with 8K springs, a 2-inch torsion tube in front of and behind the axles, adding strength and rigidity to the frame. Additionally, you'll find our Moride CRE 3000 suspension enhancement, adding a smooth ride while you tow. Check out this massive pass-through storage bay. Also, our exterior spray port that comes in real handy for cleaning off your steps. Also, you'll find our exterior awning and slide switches. A couple more items I'd like to talk about before entering into the vehicle is our Azdel back sidewalls, which not only provides 50% lighter in weight, but helps prevent delamination. In addition to our PVC roof membrane that comes with a lifetime warranty. Now let's take a look on the inside of the coach. Now that we're on the inside of the coach, let's talk about one of my favorite parts about it, the living room. With a 50-inch TV, a JBL sound system, and a 5,000 BTU fireplace. This is the ultimate place for entertaining. Also, you'll find plenty of storage both above the TV and above the sofa. Take a look at this beautiful wraparound kitchen with a stainless steel single bowl sink, residential microwave, 4-burner cooktop, plenty of countertop space, perfect for cooking meals for the whole family. On the opposing side of the kitchen, you'll find our massive floor-to-ceiling pantry with enough room to pack all your favorite snacks, a 17 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator, our 4-seat dinette, and a beautiful buffet cabinet with overhead storage. Now we're in the heart of the toy hauler, the garage. In the 44V14, it boasts a 14-foot garage space, HappiJac rollover sofas, and a drop-down bed. A couple other features worth pointing out in the garage space is our L-Track tie-down system that has multiple points for total accessibility with a 2,000 pound weight rating per strap. Included is your washer dryer prep, a 12-volt powered TV, and a loft that the kids are definitely going to enjoy. And let's not forget the half bath, keeping your kids out of your master bath. Speaking of master bath, check out this sunken shower. Our porcelain toilet with soft close seat, solid surface countertops, and medicine cabinet. When it's time to get cozy, there's nothing more comfortable than a Valor bedroom. With it boasting a king-size bed, a 12-volt powered TV, full-size dresser with flip-up top, with a full-length front closet that's also equipped with a washer-dryer prep. A couple other things I'd like to point out that you've come to appreciate in all Alliance products are our flush floor slides, recessed can-style lighting with dimmable switches, and no in-floor vents for our heat ducts. At last, let's talk about our ACs. Triple 13.5s that all can be ran simultaneously on 50 amp power or 2 on 30. In addition to, we have 2 320 watt solar panels to keep you camping while you're off grid. And that wraps it up today for our tour of the 44V14 floor plan. For more information, check us out at generalrv.com.